Hey everyone, welcome back to MFS Trading. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to not just one, but two of the most accurate indicators available on TradingView. These indicators are exceptional at illustrating market trends in this video. We're going deep into a unique and powerful entay trading strategy that combines the strength of two really effective technical indicators. To get started, the first thing we need to do is add this incredible indicator to our chart. It's pretty simple, just head over to the Indicators tab. Once you're there, type Vu Man Chu into the search box. Look for Vu Manu Cipher A, and click on it to add it to your chart, and there you go. That's the indicator we'll be using. At first glance, it might feel like a lot to take in, but don't worry. We'll simplify it by explaining each of these small parts step by step. First, let's talk about these moving average ribbons. When they're in full color from white to blue, it signals an overall bullish trend. On the other hand, when all the ribbons turn gray, it indicates an overall bearish trend. Now let's get into the symbols that come with these ribbons. When you spot yellow diamonds, it generally means the bullish trend will continue, and these green dots are also generally bullish symbols. However, it's always wise to look for additional confirmation from other indicators. These blue triangles indicate a likely reversal of the previous trend. On the bearish side, we have these small red diamonds. Consider them your first warning sign that the current move might be losing momentum. Then we have these redex symbols. It's a hard warning that it's time to consider taking your profits and exiting the market, or even considering shorting. Last but not least, we have the big red diamonds. These big red diamonds are the harshest warning of them all. They scream we're going down from here. If you see these, it's best to pull out or go all in on shorting. Now let's head over to the indicator settings. And here in the input section, set the EM1 length to 50 and EMA2 length to 200. And in the style section, disable all the EMAs except EMA1 and EMA2. Once you're done, click on OK to save the changes. Alright, now let's take it up a notch and add an additional indicator to enhance our entry signals. To apply the indicator, simply go to the indicator section and again type Vu Manu in the search box. Vu Man Chu Cipher B plus divergences. Click on it to add it to the chart. Here, these green and red dots represent bullish and bearish wave trend points, respectively. And here we have the purple line, which represents the RSI line. When the line turns red, it means that the asset is overbought. On the other hand, when it changes to green, it indicates that the asset is now oversold. And then you have this big blue wave, that's the momentum wave, indicating changes in price action momentum and overall movement, including potential reversals. If you take a closer look, you'll notice the light blue abruptly transitioning into a dark blue shade. This is likely a sign of a trend reversal. And then, we have this thick line that changes from green to red sometimes. That's your money flow. So, if it's green, that means money is flowing into the asset, and you'll likely see a bullish price action. On the other hand, if you see red money flow, that indicates cash leaving the asset. So you'll likely see bearish movement. Now let's head over to the indicator settings. And here in the input section, untick the Show WT Regular Divergence and the Show Stochastic RSI. Once you're done, click on OK to save the changes. Now that we've covered the foundation of our strategy, let's move on to the entry and exit rules. Let's begin with the rules for entering long positions. First, the price action must be trading above the 200 period EMA. Then it should fall back closer to the 50 period EMA. Second, look at our second indicator down here. This big blue wave here should change from light blue to dark blue, printing the green dot. And finally, this MFI line here should be green. If all of these conditions are met, you can take a long position. We will open a long order at the opening of the next candle. you can set your stop loss just below the most recent swing low, or at the 50-period EMA line as for your target aim for a profit that is 2 times greater than your stop loss. Now let's understand the conditions for entering a short trade. Entering a short position is the exact opposite of entering a long position. First, the price action must be trading below the 200-period EMA. Then it should move back closer to the 50-period MA. Second down here, this big blue wave should change from light blue to dark blue printing, the red dot. And finally, this MFI line here should be red. If all of these conditions are met, you can take a short position. We will open a short order at the opening of the next candle. You can set your stop loss just above the most recent swing higher or at the 50 EMA line, as for your target aim, for a profit that is 2 times greater than your stop loss. Please remember that the strategy shown in this video is to demonstrate the indicators and how to use them, not extensively backtest. Again, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. This is purely for informational purposes. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. It supports me in bringing you more content. See you next time.